Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can edit your item which you have already added in inventory. So for that, let us go to our inventory module. So on your left hand side panel you will see inventory module option. Please click on this. Now once you will open inventory module, here is the list of all the item which is added in your inventory. So how you can go ahead and edit any item. So you can very well go ahead and click on the item and it will open in the next tab, and from there you can edit, or you can just hover on this three dot and here you will get option of edit. Click on this. Once you will click on this is the edit item segment get opened up. So here you can very well go ahead and make the changes. Unit of measurement can't be changed, but you can add an alternate unit of measurement. So suppose this particular item which I added, I want to make the changes in the type. So how I can do, I will go ahead and just select that it is only in cell type. As of now you can make the changes in item category. The price have been changed, so I will go ahead and make the change in price. Now I'm selling it for 260 rupees. Same, you can make the changes in remaining segment. On your right hand side you can click on edit and can make the changes in minimum stock and maximum stock level. Now once I will go ahead and make the changes, uh, please let me show you. So I selected sell, I just put the price at 260 and now click on save. Once you will click on save, please check all the details are updated. I will go back to my inventory, and from there I can see that soft Y is now at 260 and my type is sell. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while making changes in your item which is already added. Have a good day ahead.